tea and raisins, when enjoyed together, create a harmonious blend of flavors and health benefits. Green tea is renowned for its rich concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins like EGCG, which can help boost metabolism, aid in weight management, and support cardiovascular health. Additionally, green tea has natural caffeine, providing a mild energy boost without the jittery effects of coffee. Raisins, on the other hand, offer natural sugars, dietary fiber, and essential nutrients such as iron and potassium, making them a wholesome snack. When paired with green tea, the sweet and chewy texture of raisins can complement the mild bitterness of the tea, making it a delightful and healthier alternative to sugary snacks. Together, they create a satisfying and nutritious snack or beverage option that can enhance your overall well-being while tantalizing your taste buds. Whether enjoyed as a tea blend or as a snack, green tea and raisins can be a winning combination for both flavor and health-conscious individuals.